Hey guys, so today share ko lang itong discussions or topic na gagawin ko na challenge. 2 months holding sa spot earn while holding these assets is that nag-earn pa ako. Based ito sa data for the past couple of years, no? Anong months. I think September is a good month on my end. On perspective ko lang guys, but I did not guarantee yung results dito guys, no. So share din natin dito guys sa video natin today yung ating AI trading bots, no, kasi we're going again in Singapore for the token 2049. So I'll keep you posted sa YouTube channel natin, no. Pero before tayo dito guys mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first and please subscribe sa ating YouTube channel for more updates and other educational content dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So punta muna tayo dito guys sa ating app. Nandito tayo ngayon sa analysis. Ito yung rewards natin na nakukuha. Ito yung sa earn tab guys, no. So 7-day rewards ito. Ayan, makikita natin dito yung mga rewards natin na nakukuha. And transfer ko na din dito yung other assets natin for this challenge guys, no. Ito is that I started around 8k. We'll see kung paano kakaroon ng results or performance in the next coming months. So November we'll do update dito, and punta muna tayo dito guys, back muna natin para ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano puntahan ito at i-discuss natin yung apat natin dito na hinohold for the next coming months. So back muna ako dito. Ayan, so nandito ako sa home tab. Again, sa mga wala pang account, feel free to create an account lang. Ilalagay sa description ng video na to yung official link ng app na to. Majority din ng tutorials natin dito sa ating YouTube channel is for this app. So you can ask questions and hindi ko yung mahihirapan dito sa pagtatanong kasi more on this app yung ginagawa natin ng video dito sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. So feel free to ask lang dito. Pwede nyo gamitin yung official link natin guys. Meron ding trading fee discount at para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online dito guys, no. So 6 na taon na rin itong application na to. More than 6 years na din. Yun, nandito tayo ngayon guys sa home tab. End ng video, bibigay ko yung pinaka-tutorials dito for the beginners. So, tapusin nyo tong video na to guys, no. So, ngayon, punta muna tayo doon guys sa apat na hinohold ko na crypto for the next coming months. Ibebenta ko na siya. So, punta lang ako dito guys sa wallets. And then, pagkatapos nyan, punta ako dito sa earn tab. So, dito guys, I have this 4 assets na hinohold. Nilipat ko na yung iba for the sake of these ideas, no, or tutorials. So, unhand ko muna to. Ayun, total of 8k ito. So, we have Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and Algo. Ito yung pinaka-value nila. So, yung mga ibang earn guys, nilipat ko muna for these tutorials, no. So, ito, we have Algo dito. XRP 73, BNB 0.148, Ethereum 0.0145, Algo 511 guys, no. So, we'll see kung paano yung magiging performance neto in the next coming weeks or months. And for me, again, yung price actions ngayon ng crypto is that nagkakaroon siya ng pagbaba ng presyo, and the opportunity again on my end is that when the price is on its low price guys, no. So mahirap na mag-discuss din dito na yung price actions is that on its peak or nagkakaroon na siya ng pagtaas ng presyo, no. So karamihan ng mga profitable traders talaga or investors in crypto is that they tend to look for the opportunity sa lower price guys, no. But again, I did not guaranteed pa rin na potential pwede siyang tumaas, potential pwede din siyang bumagsak guys, no. And it's only my own perspective dito kung anong months yung maganda magkaroon ng executions. Again, disclaimer lang, itong video natin today is just for ideas, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas lang dito. And we have 8k dito. Ito yung pinaka assets ko na willing ko lang na i-execute dito. If ever man na magkaroon ng pagbaba ng presyo, it's okay lang on my end. This is the asset na gusto ko lang i-risk dito guys, no. So, simple as that. And ngayon, I'll give you perspective lang dito, no. So, ito yung apat na assets na hinohold natin for the next coming months. November, maybe second week, we'll sell that or we'll check that. And titingnan natin kung ano yung magiging results niya dito, no. Kaya make sure guys to subscribe, no, and turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa updates natin na gagawin in the next coming months, no. So ngayon, discussions tayo doon guys sa ating AI. Gusto ko rin din ito i-share guys. It's better to share whether positive or negative yung results kasi we're in crypto and I just want to share perspective dito, ng neutral perspective guys, no, and for you to have informed decisions for the risk and reward. So right now, punta muna tayo sa trading bots natin. Ayan. And then punta tayo dito guys sa all orders. So right now, yung GMT natin guys is on negative 5 USDT, no? Since nagkakaroon ng pagbaba ng presyo, ito is negative kasi nasa spot grid tayo. In case man na magkaroon ulit ng pag-backup ng price actions to the upside, pwede tayo ditong karoon ng wins. Pero right now, ito negative USDT tayo dito, as well as for XRP, no? So punta naman tayo dito guys sa futures grid. So right now, we have BTC dito, tapos Hook. So for Hook, kahit papano, positive 2.16 USDT. Ito, naka-open lang to. Last week, maganda yung pinaka-return dito, around 40 USDT. Pero nagkaroon ng pagbaba ng presyo, tapos nakalong tayo, kaya ito is nabawasan. No? Naging 2.14 USDT na lang dito. So, yun, I'll keep you posted dito guys if ever man na lumabas tayo ulit ng Pilipinas. Bibigyan natin ng perspective dito kasi ito is automatic buy and sell naman. So, from the past few days or few videos natin, binigyan natin dito ng perspective, meron tayong mga profits from the past few months. Maganda yung return dito sa ating AI guys. Right now, ito yung pinaka-results ng ating AI as of recording this video, automatic buy and sell, and kahit paano, we earn profits dito from the past few months guys, no? Yun, hope you get some ideas dito, especially dun sa kanina na discussions natin. And kung hindi nyo pa pala guys papanood yung video na ginawa natin the past few months for the beginners, is that click nyo lang tong video to guys, and see you sa video na yan guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.